Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can remove a green screen using DaVinci Resolve. Now for this video, I'll be using the latest version, which is 18, but I'm sure it'll work the same for other versions as well. Now to remove a green screen, it's quite easy. I'll show you with this beautiful example that I have. So let's say you want to remove the green screen from this cat video right here, and you want to replace the background with, let's say, this video right here. It is leaves falling, it is autumn. Now if you want to remove the green screen, just click on the video and click on Fusion, which is beside the edit button on the bottom of your screen. Once you click on this, you can click on effects and search for delta keyer. Once you select this tool, make sure it is somewhere in between the input node and the output node. And once this is done, drag this selector key and select the green part of the screen. Once this is selected, you can go ahead and click on the matte option. Now you'll see that the job is pretty much done, but we want to fine tune it and make sure that all the parts of the video are transparent, and the parts which we want the video to be shown, which means the cat part of the video, should be shown. As you can see over here, the whiskers are a little transparent. We can fix all of this using a little bit of fine tuning. Now how to do that? Just click on view mode and select matte, and you will see that there are gray parts in this video. Now you have to make sure that the black part of the videos are completely black and the white parts are completely white. Now to do this, click on matte again and make sure you drag the threshold option till the black parts of the video are completely black. And once this is done, you can drag the other end to make sure the white parts are also completely white. You'll see that now there is a defined edge between the background and the foreground. Once all of this is done, you can go back to final result and click on edit again. And you'll see we have now added that cat video on our background. Just select one of the corner points and resize it to your liking. I will say this is not the best background video. It does wash out the orange and the yellow, but I'm sure you get the idea on how you can easily remove a green screen using DaVinci Resolve 18. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.